It's an honor to have been elected as a member of the College of the New Scholars, Artists and Scientists of the Royal Society of Canada. I look forward to working with incredible college in all corners of science and arts. I work in green chemistry, and in particular, I'm passionate about making new materials and processes for green chemistry and a better future. I make novel bioplastics from crustaceous shells. I also work on processes harvesting light and alternative nanomaterials for greener electronics. Je viens également au collège avec une grande expérience de communication scientifique en français et en anglais, ce qui va me permettre de pouvoir continuer à promouvoir la science auprès du grand public. J'ai aussi travaillé au rayonnement de la science auprès des femmes et des minorités et pour les problématiques de soutien à la famille dans le cadre du milieu du travail scientifique. I would like to end by sending my heartfelt thank you to all the incredible people I have worked with over the years, my students, my postdoc, past and present, without whom I wouldn't be here today. I would like to thank as well the staff and the colleagues at McGill University.